Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to install secure boot certificates in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So basically, the secure boot is primary requirement for Windows 11, and this secure boot feature requires the latest secure boot certificates. And if you do not update the expiring certificates, your device gets less secure and the device also becomes the boot vulnerable for the security threats. This is the issue we will be talking about in this video. So let's get a deeper dive for this scenario. So you might have heard around all the news that Windows Secure Boot certificates are expiring in June 2026, and that is this month. And if you see this Microsoft support article, the link has been mentioned in the video description. It covers some of the details. In a very short line, I can introduce that Secure Boot is a security feature in UEFI firmware, and that helps you to ensure that only trusted software runs during a device boot or start sequence. More about the Secure Boot you can read out in this article. And if you search for Windows 11 requirements, you can see that the primary requirement covers the secure boot. That means if you do not have the secure boot enabled, Windows 11 may not be installed or may not run. So secure boot is the primary requirement. You can check out the Microsoft support article for system requirements, and here it is clearly mentioned that system firmware required is secure boot capable. So you must have secure boot enabled. Now Microsoft has also released a frequently asked questions support article. So this link also mentioned in the video description. It covers all the questions you might have about expiring secure boot certificates and how you can get this update. So I'll broadly cover some of them in this video guide. So in case if you do not update the secure boot certificates over the time, this limits the device protection against emerging threats and may affect scenarios that rely on the secure boot trust, such as BitLocker hardening or third-party bootloaders. And how you can update the secure boot certificate. So updating the secure boot certificate is a straightforward process. You just do not need any action. In case if you are end user, Microsoft will automatically download the secure boot certificates on your device via Windows updates. And as you might know that Windows updates are automatic, so you do not need to do any action. Your device will automatically download the latest Windows update, and along with that the secure boot certificates are downloaded. In case if your system is managed by your organization or you are using work or school account, then your IT department can use the methods to update the system, and are some links mentioned in this support article which can help you with that. So currently I am focusing this video for the end users, and the straightforward process is simply open the settings app, check for the latest updates in the Windows update section. There might be appearing the update for secure boot certificate. All you need to do is just let the update be installed and simply restart your device, and that's it. Your device now have the latest secure boot certificates and you are done. So this is the update I am talking about. In Windows update section, you will see this update with this name, secure boot allowed signature database DB update. The naming terminology might be different on your device, but it should contain a word secure boot if the update is for the secure boot certificates. And if you want to confirm if you have already installed this secure boot certificate update, you can simply go to the settings app. Simply open the settings app and go to Windows update section, then click on the update history and then go to other updates. Here you can see that I have secure boot allowed signature database DB update was installed successfully. This means I'm done with this update and I do not need any further action. In case if you have still not received the secure boot certificates update, just open the settings app, go to Windows update section and make sure that the option get the latest update as soon as they are available is turned on. And one thing to notice here is that if your device has secure boot disabled, this secure boot certificate update will not be downloaded, and the specific expiry date for secure boot certificates is set to 23rd of June 2026. Most of the sources are claiming that date. Try to make sure that your system installs the latest secure boot certificate update before that date. If you have any question about this update, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.